everybody, today I am playing Flappy Bird, the most hardest game ever. So yeah, you can't see me play, but you're gonna see my reactions when I fail. So yeah, here we go. Okay. Why is it lagging? Oh. Wait. It's lagging because I'm making a video. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Why is it so laggy? Yo! So slow. I got one! I don't want to play this game anymore. I hate this already. I've been playing for a while. I've been playing for like 10 minutes right now. No! I hate this game so much. If you guys saw my reaction, I freaking hate this. Yeah, I freaking hate this game so much. Now, I'm gonna upload this, but I'm gonna do a little bit more reaction. So, it's so slow too. Wait, what? Flashy Flappy Bird. What? What do you mean? I at least need to get one. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. That's one more. That's all. This is so slow. That's all. Yeah, bye.